In the aftermath of the devastating terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, which claimed 26 lives, India's economy is grappling with heightened regional tensions, particularly with Pakistan, as well as escalating global trade challenges. The immediate repercussions are evident, with Air India projecting a potential loss of $600 million over the next year due to Pakistan's airspace ban, leading to longer flight routes and increased operational costs. Furthermore, the tourism sector in Jammu and Kashmir has suffered, with resort closures and a sharp decline in visitor numbers impacting local businesses. Simultaneously, India is facing a global trade slowdown. The Trump administration's reimposition of a 26% tariff on Indian goods threatens key export sectors such as pharmaceuticals, textiles, and IT services. Economists have adjusted India's GDP growth forecast downward to 6.3% for the current fiscal year, citing these tariffs and stagnant private investment as major concerns. Additionally, India's foreign policy has been tested by rising geopolitical tensions, particularly with the ongoing Israel-Arab conflict and the Houthi attacks on Saudi Arabia and oil tankers, which disrupt global energy markets and affect India's energy security. As an energy importer, India feels the brunt of rising oil prices amid these crises. In response, India is actively seeking to mitigate these challenges. Negotiations are underway to finalize a comprehensive trade agreement with the US, aiming to double bilateral trade to $500 billion by 2030. Moreover, India is positioning itself as an alternative manufacturing hub, with companies like Apple planning to shift significant production from China to India by 2026. Despite these proactive measures, the convergence of regional instability and global trade pressures presents a complex landscape for India's economy. Balancing immediate security concerns with long-term economic strategies will be crucial for navigating this challenging period.